This is the card we're going to make today. This was made using the Hero Arts August 2020 kit. This is the front of the card saying greetings from my happy place. Inside, thinking of you. And so let's begin. Okay, this is the stamps and their matching dies from the August 2020 kit from Hero Arts. The dies also include this word die that says greetings from. And so we're going to make a card out of this kit today. Okay, I'm going to use my stamping platform and I'm going to ink up some of the stamps using some Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I noticed that my pad was kind of dry, so I'm re-inking it now. I'm stamping onto some scrap pieces of Nina 80-pound Solar White. And now I'm going to use my Copic markers to color in the stamped images. And now I'm going to use the matching dies, and I will use my die cutting machine to cut out these images. Okay, now I'm going to do some ink blending, and I've cut a little mask here so that I can make some hilly grass down here, but I will start by inking up the sky. So I'm going to start with some Distress Ink Mermaid Lagoon. And now I'll spritz it with some water and dab it up with a paper towel. And now I'll use the other half of my cutout mask and I will ink in the grassy area of the scene. Okay, and I cut the greetings from some brown cardstock. And now I'll just start to place some of the items on here. Okay, I'm going to stamp my happy place right beneath the greetings from. And I'll stamp it with some VersaFine Onyx Black ink. And I'll also use my heat gun. Okay, and now I will glue the different die cuts onto the card base. In some cases, I will glue it directly down to the base. In other cases, I'm going to use some small foam squares to prop those particular items up. And I'm going to cut a piece of brown cardstock that's 4.5 by 5 3/4 to mask the card base, and then I'll put it on a card base that is 5 by 6.5. And I'll add some clear Wink of Stella to the butterfly, the drinks, and her bow, and the middle of the flower. And now I'll use my stamping platform to stamp my personalized Made By stamp on the back of the card, and also the sentiment that I'm going to put on the inside of the card. And this stamp is also from the August 2020 kit. And so here's the completed card. This is the front, saying greetings from my happy place. The inside greeting saying thinking of you. And then the My Made with Love stamp on the back. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!